we could talk about police protection and what I carry in cold days. Specifically, actually, duty horses, and specifically bellkeepers, specifically also police jacket. We go try to find what is this misunderstanding. So let's get back into it. Okay. Now we'll have so for my duty belt I have a badge which just have to cover this up on plastic tape. I have this badge because I have to cover it because it's not what I will show on YouTube. I will get really trouble, so I'll just go cover that. This is my badge. Moving on, my gun holster. Now, this is kid, so I'm not gonna have anything in it or out of it because this is a training holster. Got my baton, and then here, this is kid friendly. These are my handcuffs. You saw my other video. I put my handcuffs here, but I had to get used to it. Put my handcuffs here. These are so hard, guys. These are, let me read them. These are Zoom tool to, these are training handcuffs, so they train, and I think these are ZT60. Okay, move on my pepper spray pouch and move on my safety tool. Move on my safety tool. Let me just move this. I just got this belt and then tomorrow I'll get the stick belt. If you don't know what a stick belt is, basically I actually have to stick on everything. So you know what? Instead of putting, I go put these on inside of hoops. So like this. So when I go fit the sticky thing on it. So this actually has to move here, which I got my safety tool, which I'm not taking this off, so I'll just go leave right there. It's okay. I could take this off easily. Okay. This is my taser pouch. I'm not going to put in it. Like I said, the kids, my magazine pouch. Like I said, I do have magazines. These are belt clippers. This is, okay, that's it. Now, this is so easy. And let me show you something. And also, like I said, I carry this. Also, I used to carry this on duty. Just let me show you. I used to carry this belt, which I don't not anymore. Because I got a new belt. This belt is so easy. All you have to do is to get it on, just unclip, put it around your waist, and I could tuck it in there, but there's right here. Just put it right here so it could stick, which I get the stick thing. which it just fits. Everything's perfect. Oh, everything's on. Everything's perfect, yes. The reason why I'm not showing you this is because, I'm not showing you that because I don't know. The law enforcement does not actually, if someone has a tool, they do not put that on camera. So, this is my baton, my handcuffs. And now all you have to do is just take it off. It's just unclip. And then just put it away. That's so easy. So, but the reason I love this is because my taser used to be on another belt because it does not fit. So this what does is it goes on the thing and you just clip it. You clip it, and then you just put this, and then this, and then that's it. This cannot fit. It's too big. This is meant of oldie belt, not meant for tasers. Nude. This belt on Amazon. Oh my God. This is $12. Not for everything, only the belt. Got kid size. They have kid size, but I mean, so easy. So the things I will change of this is I actually will change this. So just go put this. Okay, come out. Yeah, it comes out easily. So you know what? So this could come out, but I could put the duty hustle first. Actually, maybe I'll just actually put the duty house first because I'm not gonna have no loops. So I just could put it here and just fit it in here. So that's so easy. But like I said, I maybe could fit this. Maybe I could fit it. But I just could skip my paper spray pouch and just go within here, and then go to in here, and yes. It just sticks. So I don't know, but I hope this sticks. So I don't know why, but this is it sticks, and I don't know why it sticks. Here, but I don't know why. So it's so this is just so easy. I love it. Let me just put my let's go outside for a second. So this is kind of cool because if you want put here. Here, then put my sorry guys. Now let's put everything back, which I couldn't tell if you have the same thing, but this the sticky keep on falling off, which is old. I got something good. I don't have these, but I do know about them. And go police explaining. It's a YouTuber who talks about these. Okay, now if you look ahead, but your duty belt keeps on falling off, these came with you. These they have 8 and 8. They'll buy and you could buy them for about $12 of these. So you could keep everything secure, tacked out, and it's not even wiggle. Yeah, it cannot wiggle. These are really good. Make sure I have these. Let's take this off. Put them on the side. Yes. I just want them. If you don't want tasers and if you don't want magazines, if you want 2 belts, then buy this. I don't know how much it's cost, but you can find them in Safariland, and it costs a lot of money. But if you want this for your birthday, then buy it in Safariland. But I'm not giving away this because this, oh my god, this is my dad's old duty belt when he was, and when he was actually in the department, and he was in the I'm sorry, but he was actually in the department of baton. Sorry guys, I forgot. Okay, let's take this into the side. Let's go. Oh, that belt, it's about, I don't know, 19 years old, 20 years old, 2000. Okay, now I'm going to teach you what I do carry right now. Let me show you. First, if it's really cold outside and it's cold, I wear this. So this is my old school jacket, my brother's jacket, but I actually created into this Air Marshall jacket. It's fake. Now you can see it. It's fake. And then on the back it says, you know what it says? Police. That's cool. And it says school 1914, but I mean, no, that's not. But I do not use that. Okay. Let's put that right here. And then now, this is my grandpa's police uniform. And guys, also cannot show them the NYPD zip pouch because it is real in New York, South New York. This is not for sale. Oh no. Let me show you the brand. There's the brand. So this is pouches which I put. Let me show you. I have one of these pouches. Yes, this is a pouches and it has a pin. Here is a pen for my work, and then in here some paper if I write tickets or what happened, tell a story or someone got injured, which hope you folks do not get injured. I'm not showing any badges or fake. I could show fake badges, but for real, I cannot show no badges because maybe departments will sue me. And yeah. So just hold on, I gotta fix it. Okay, now moving on. And what I do carry is, this bulletproof vest. Now, this is old by 2000 when it was in SWAT. But you know what, really, folks? The old plate in here does not work. But I tried baton, hitting this multiple times with a baton and did not go through. And then actually I tried my safety tool with a knife. Sorry guys, sorry. And I just tried stopping the bulletproof vest if it comes through. Now YouTube, I'm not mean. We had safety things, and guys, please do not do this at home. I'm trained with professionals, okay? And try just snapping it, and there's a couple small bitty holes like this, but it did not make through. So that's impressive. That is it, folks. If you like this duty carry, which this is $12, I'm getting the sticky thing, which is $20. Tomorrow I will be back with my other thing, my sticky one. That is it for today's video. Yes. Bye-bye. If you like this video, it's 16 minutes. But I'm sorry, but I will get back to you. Bye.